Homemade oat milk is the next big thing, and with 3 classic flavours in vanilla, chocolate and strawberry, they're going to be a huge hit with everybody.
He's got budget meals for families, delicious new recipes. Bring your friends over, let's make it and share. It's Nicko's kitchen where satisfying meals are prepared.
So into a blender, add in your oats. Now I love oat milk because it's high in protein and fibre and lower in sugar than cow's milk. But it's also lactose, soy and nut free and also vegan. But if you're a breastfeeding mother, then it's also the best and easiest way to increase your breast milk supply. So to the oats, all I'm adding in is some water. I place the lid on and blend it for 6 to 8 minutes. The oats will turn really creamy and begin to break down all their goodness into the water. So to get that really smooth, creamy milk texture, I put the oat milk through 2 stages. Firstly, through a fine sieve which picks up most of the sediment, which you can use to make cookies or porridge with. And then secondly, through a muslin cloth to pick up the very fine pieces the sieve might have missed. The result will be a very fine, creamy milk. Now you can place this into the fridge and it will keep for 3 to 4 days and it tastes amazing chilled. But what I love to do for my kids is flavour the milk up with natural ingredients, and it couldn't be easier. Let's do chocolate first. Add in the cacao powder, which is lower in sugar than cocoa, and then a touch of maple syrup. Blend it until smooth and you have a chocolate flavoured drink without all the processed sugars. Next, my personal favourite, add in some fresh strawberries along with maple syrup, and again, blend it until smooth and it turns a nice light pink. The other one you can do is straight up vanilla, which is the oat milk, some vanilla extract and maple syrup. It's much more economical making it at home, it tastes better, and with the added flavours, it's going to please everyone's tastes.